All right, Caroline, what'd you make?
A train. I'm gonna
Choo
sit
choo.
on
I don't know if you can make a corner. Who are your passengers?
Ladybug. I mean, let's start from the back. We have
Cabbage Patch Kid?
Cabbage Patch Kid. We have. No, the baby can go down, but. And we have Unicorn. We have Baby Bear. We have Captain Hook. Butterfly. We have Bear, Bunny, Cheerleader, Bunny, another Bunny, and Bear. They were all riding today at the fun time.
How long did it take you to make this train?
3 hours.
Whoa. What'd you make it out of?
I made it out of quarter bar boxes, tape, and I made it out of coloring.
Crayons, yes. You colored all the boxes. And you had to cut something off the cardboard, didn't you?
I had to cut the flaps off. That way it would be easier to fit more on the ends. And this corner is hard because you're touching it. Andrew's touching it.
Hey, Andrew, leave it alone, please. I don't think we're going down the stairs, honey.
Yeah, down the stairs.
No, train might derail and fall apart.
No, how do you know?
It's just a guess.
Oh, it will be real. Uh-oh. Well, I didn't have it down, so yeah, you're wrong. It broke. Your fault, Mama.
What did Mama say about going down the stairs?
That wasn't a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
No, I wanted to go down the stairs.
Caroline.
Mom,
Caroline.
I want you to come in my room.
Stop the attitude. You're going to end up in your room.
And now it's broken. The train I worked hours on. My trash can.
I said, what did I say about the stairs?
Fine.
No, you don't say
Dude,
fine.
now it's broken, so you fix it.
That's not how you ask Mama to do
You've
something.
got to fix it now.
No, how do you talk to Mama?
Please fix it.
Say, Mama, can you fix it, please? Caroline, he's fine. You need to work on your attitude. Say, Mama, can you fix it, please? When you ask nicely, I'll get some tape and try to fix it, okay?
Please.
In a normal voice. Okay, I'll wait until you can ask nicely.